What's up guys, this is Arafat from Arafat Productions. Welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorials. In this tutorial I will show you how to change background inside Premiere Pro. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I have this video with green background. Let's play this track. Right click on the mouse and ungroup it, because we don't need audio part. Delete this by pressing delete on the keyboard. I chose this image to set it on the background. Fit this image using effect control. Now it's look okay. Add this image behind the video and increase the image duration as the video. Search for Alt key. Drag this effect on the video. Go to effect control. Choose eyedropper and select green color from the video. Hide the background image. Then if you zoom in, you can see the green color not exactly clear. Don't worry about this, I will teach you a way. That way you can remove it. Inside the matte cleanup, set the chalk 0 to 100, soften +20, contrast +40. Let's see a quick preview. Now it's look better than before. But this video does not look realistic. We need some color correction. Go to Windows. Make sure Lumetri color is checked. Under basic correction, tints +35. Let's see a quick preview. It's look perfect now. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update.